Jasmine then asked her ancestor, "Are there more names too?" Her ancestor said yes. And then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said the third name is Chidiebere. So then Jasmine asked, "What does that name mean?" So that her ancestors responded, Chi means your personal relationship with God, De means is, and Ebere means mercy. So together, Chidiebere means God is merciful. Jasmine says she likes that name too, but then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Chidiebere, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question. Chidiebere's names give them the power to be lighthearted, kind, and have high levels of emotional intelligence because they are